Oh, hey, come on in. Let's make the perfect thing to make on game day. Hi everybody, it's Katie here and welcome back to my kitchen. The big game is almost coming up, so I thought let's make a rendition of buffalo chicken dip. But this time, we're gonna make it into a pizza. And I know a lot of times we're on Super Bowl or football, game day, you don't really want anything healthified, but why not? Why not make something a little bit extra nutrients, just a little, and home make it? Because I feel like for me, I love the Super Bowl. You know I love football, but I also love Super Bowl Sunday food. That's my Super Bowl, so let's make it. I make this pizza dough or bagel dough, whatever it is, all the time. I just take 1 cup of flour, a little bit of baking powder, about a teaspoon. I'm gonna toss in some garlic salt, which is just garlic powder and salt. I'm doing this because it's like a pizza flatbread crust, so we want a little bit of flavor. Tossing in 1 cup cottage cheese. A little extra protein in your pizza. And now here's the different thing that I'm doing. I'm actually gonna toss in a little bit of shredded mozzarella. This is just gonna make the crust a little bit crispier. All right, let's mix that together. Okay. Perfect. Now it's gonna look like it's gonna break apart a little bit, but let's get to kneading. I just put a little bit of saran wrap on my countertop because my counters can get kind of dirty. So what I'm gonna do is just start to knead this dough, and I'm laying out a little bit of flour and tossing on that flatbread dough right on top. A little bit more flour on top. Now, the key to kneading is to keep folding it towards you, using your palms, pressing down. And you're gonna need a little bit more excess flour. So keep rolling it up and kneading it down. And I know this is the tedious part of it, but you knead for about 3 to 4 minutes. You can skip it, but it's just gonna be better if you take the time to knead the dough. So it's gonna turn out like this. Come on in here. Get it in a nice ball so it looks a little bit more like pizza dough. It's perfect. Now, let's clean this up. Boom. Let's make it into flatbread. I'm gonna take a little bit of olive oil right here in the pan, and I am just gonna spread it out and place the dough. Spread it out nice and thin. Removing a little bit of the excess dough. Now let's toss it in the oven. Check back soon. About 20 minutes later, the crust is perfect. Look at that. It's nice and crispy on the edges. It's still a little bit soft on the inside. And now let's build it into a flatbread. First things first, I am gonna take a little bit of shredded rotisserie chicken and that buffalo sauce and just mix it on up. All right, now that that is mixed on up, I'm gonna take the mozzarella, and we're not doing any marinara sauce because I feel like marinara sauce with buffalo chicken pizza, it just wouldn't go. But if you wanna add the marinara, go for it. But I call this a nice white pizza. Perfect. I'm just gonna do a little bit of that buffalo chicken on top. Evenly spread it out. And I'm gonna do like extra of it because why not? This isn't a restaurant where we're skimping on the meat. Yummy! I'm gonna do some onion slices. Almost like a barbecue chicken pizza, but it's not. All right, looks so good. Now let's put it back in the oven. Oh my gosh, I'm so impressed with myself. I awe myself every single day. Look at this, you guys. Buffalo chicken pizza, healthified crust, crispy AF, gorgeous. Gorgeous, just like you. Okay, we're not done. You can top it with some herbs or green onions. I like this really oniony. Optional, but I love buffalo chicken and ranch. So just a drizzle of that. Now let's dive in. Cut it into squares. Wow. Are you kidding me? Look at that crispy edge. Cheers! Buffalo chicken flatbread, all made from scratch. Your guests for the big game are gonna love it. Holy. Oh my God. Wow. Wow, 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 you guys. This is the perfect food to make for game day. I love you. Make sure to try it, and I will see you next episode.